Hello viewer, welcome to another video of Creo. In this video we are going to draw a 3D model like this. For this we are going to Creo and press new and part modeling and select a part name anything you want. Then select here M1 as parts of solid. Then you have to select one of the plane. In this case I am selecting a front plane. Parallel view. Draw two concentric circles and diameter of 12.5 into 2 means radius I am taking 12.5. Another is 22.5 into 2. After this, line command and draw a line like this. Two parallel lines and distance from the center line is 2.5 each, or you can do like this. Select delete command and clear this lines and you'll find a sketch like this. Exclude this sketch up to a height of T. Now we are complete with this, and after this select this plane again and again draw two concentric circles. I am taking a radius of 7.5, another 17.5, and center to center distance between two circles is 75. Now take a center line here and delete these lines and take a line command, press here to here like this. And distance is 15. Done. This is also done, and exclude up to a height of 20. Take another plane referencing from this plane up to a height of 5 upward direction like this. Select this new plane and sketch. Take a line command and match this. These two circles, be very careful, and project this circle and this. Delete all the unnecessary parts of this circle and after deletion you will find a close parameter here. I think it's completed, and exclude this to a 10. Now you're done, and then take this plane and sketch a line for the profile. I'm referring this line and this line and drawing a line from this point to this point. I'm done, and it's time to profile rib. Take this direction opposite and thickness is 10. I am done. Half of the design is completed. Now take this plane again and sketch parallel view to your screen. Draw two concentric circles. Diameter of these circles are one is 30, another is 16, and this height from the bottom is center height is from the bottom is 25, and you have to be careful here. Take a line command from this line. It is better to be reference here. Take parallel and line command, draw here from here to here, and from this point to this point, and match it. Delete unnecessary points. You will find a structure like this, and exclude it both direction. 26 plus 5 means 31. You will find this kind of structure. Select OK, and again choose this bottommost plane. Again parallel view, and try to be differ from this place. Refer this line and this line, so that you will get a perfect view from this place to this, and again exclude up to a height and remove material from here. Now you will find a structure like this. That's it for this video. I'll catch you later.